Welcome back. Well, clouds and showers in the forecast for Acadiana as we round out the week and head into the weekend, but not a whole lot of shower activity. And at least the cloud cover today brought the heat down. We were below 90 for the first time in nearly a week, and will favor mid-80s for tomorrow and Saturday as well, as we see tropical moisture surging into the region, but mainly high levels, we'll call it tropical moisture. So mostly clouds. You see, though, there's plenty of showers just offshore, poised out into the Gulf of Mexico. This activity has been trying to migrate north, but it's also fighting high pressure farther to the north. But you can see over southeastern Louisiana, it's been on the active side over the coastal marshes of Louisiana. Some showers around Lake Pontchartrain this evening, and some light sprinkles in Acadiana. Did see a few on the windshield during the course of my drive back to work around 8:30 or so this evening. And again, relatively quiet locally, but there are a few sprinkles around. We're seeing most of the light rain shower activity down towards St. Mary Parish. So a little bit of a break. We need more rain. We haven't had a whole lot of it since the first week of September. And if we don't see much tomorrow, forget about it for the next 8 or 9 days that follows. It looks to be quite dry. Meanwhile, tropics are quite busy. We have Tropical Storm Leslie that is expected to become a hurricane and maybe a major hurricane. Meanwhile, we do have a major hurricane, and Kirk went through a couple of rapid intensification cycles. And look at this cyclone right here. Currently 145-mile-per-hour winds, forecast to go 155. Remember, 156 is Category 5, so very close to a Category 5 storm. But it's nice seeing all this hurricane energy being expended out in the open Atlantic, not near the U.S. And both of those storms are going to stay oceanic storms, so no worries there. Meanwhile, the National Hurricane Center this evening upping their odds back into the medium category. We started out in the medium category about 4 or 5 days ago and then dropped down to the 30% range, now 40%. And it looks like there's going to be something developing out here in the Gulf, maybe southwestern Gulf, and we'll get to the models in just a bit. But as we do a little satellite and surface examination, we do see a little bit of weak low pressure here in the Bay of Campeche, but not a whole lot showing up. There's a mid-level low right here moving into the Yucatan, and by the time the two get together, eventually during the course of the weekend, eventually the system will consolidate, and then we'll see some development. Meanwhile, you see that tropical moisture in our region surging northward, not really associated with the disturbance we expect to develop back down to the south. So that moisture sticks around through tomorrow. Watch this area. The graph model has been going for development in the Bay of Campeche, and then begins to move a system to the east, northeast, and that moisture is going to be heading mainly for Florida. We'll pull out the latest GFS model, and it shows much the same, with low pressure developing in the Gulf. Here's next Tuesday, then next Wednesday, and then next Thursday. Florida may have to deal with this system. Meanwhile, we're safe from tropical activity thanks to the subtropical jet stream sticking close by the northern Gulf Coast states. So this is not going to impact the Florida Big Bend, but mainly the mid and lower part of the Florida Peninsula. And we want these winds to keep going, because that'll take us to out of the heart of the tropical season if they continue later this month. Few spotty showers in the forecast for tomorrow, then things quiet down in the evening. More clouds on Saturday, but rain chances going down for the weekend, and then sunshine will follow. So 73 overnight tonight, few showers, few sprinkles. I got rain chance at about 20%. Then for tomorrow, look for a mixture of clouds and a little sun, but mostly cloudy skies. Scattered mainly afternoon showers and a few thunder showers maybe, but don't look for a whole lot of rain. Thereafter, summer makes one more run, and then a cool front gets here Monday, bringing in much more pleasant overnight and morning lows into the lower 60s. That means upper 50s for outlying areas in Acadiana. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.